Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Eurowings flight vouchers. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in eurowings.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Eurowings if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have Explore, Book, Information, Flight in Hotel, My Trip, and Check-in. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. In the bottom, we have the option where you can go and book a flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Eurowings flight vouchers. So first of all, you need to navigate to the My Trip section, which is in the top side of the screen. Click on My Trip. Then go to the Manage Booking section. And of course, go and click Edit Booking and find your booking here. So here you can book your booking number, everything to find your flight. At the moment, I don't have any flights, but be sure if you have one, it will appear here. Then choose the flight, of course, that you want to use the voucher for. During the booking process, select voucher payment method, enter the voucher code and confirm. Follow the prompts to complete your booking. If the voucher amount exceeds the booking cost, the remaining balance can be paid using another payment method. However, if the booking cost exceeds the voucher amount, you'll need to pay the difference. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.